I'll tell you how to make Mosoumbi mocktail. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. This is very fancy mocktail. You can try Mosoumbi based mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 10 ml of lemon cordial syrup, and after that you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of rose syrup. This is very unique mocktail. You can try it. Okay, always I'm making some new mocktail. Then you have to pour 180 to 240 ml of Mosoumbi juice. You can add like 90 ml or 120 ml of Mosoumbi juice. Don't add more juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Very simple mocktail, you can try. Then you have to take a fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. This is the refreshment mocktail, you can try. Okay, then you have to fill the glass, half of the glass with Sprite. Okay, then you have to just fill the glass with soda. See, your refreshment Mosoumbi mocktail is ready. Then simply you can decorate the mocktail with some Mosoumbi slices or sweet lime slices or orange slices, and you can garnish the mocktail with garnish umbrella and serve the mocktail with straw, and you can garnish the mocktail with mint spring. See, your mocktail is ready. You can prepare this refreshment mocktail, totally different mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Okay, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.